You don't gotta work, but you gotta put in work.
Hey y'all, it's your girl D Hill and I'm back with another makeup look. I did do a voiceover this time. I'm trying to make my videos shorter, but this is a Valentine's Day inspired look. This is not for a female who has a man. It's not for couples. This is for the females who just want to go out and be cute. Now, one thing I do want to say before I start the video, ladies, if you are single, do not sit at home on Valentine's Day and feel sorry for yourself. Use that day to love you. You are enough. You will always be enough. You don't need anybody to add to you. If they come to you, they're going to compliment you, but you don't need it. You don't need anyone. You are enough. And a lot of times I'm ignored because they say, you married, you wouldn't know, and all this other stuff. That's a whole nother subject. I'm here to encourage you, to let you know that you are enough. 2019, we're not sitting around. We're not moping and we're not crying about our situation. That's why I'm telling you to get out the house. If you want a man, and I'm not saying that you need to go looking for one, he'll find you, but he ain't gonna find you in front of at your house on the couch watching Lifetime with a gallon of ice cream crying. He ain't gonna find you there. Get cute, follow this tutorial, get it together, boo. Go out and let that light shine. Or put that highlight on just in case they can't see you. Oops. But anyway, hope y'all enjoy this tutorial. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I thank you guys so much for supporting me, for loving me, for encouraging me through this journey. I love y'all, love y'all, love y'all. Watch the tutorial. So let's get started. We're starting off with the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. We're going in with a goldish orangey color in that palette, using that as my transition color. Now we're deepening it with a caramel brown. All the palettes I'm using in this tutorial are by Morphe except one, and you guys will see that soon. Now we're going to go in with a dark raspberry color, and I'm just going to pat that in on my lid. Now, as you can see, I am using patting motions with this brush. And then I'm going to go in and blend it out with a blending brush. I'm going to go back in to deepen the color. And when you guys are trying this look, just know that everything is a process, okay? It's going to look crazy at first, and then after that, it's going to come together. So don't panic, don't, go crazy. Just take your time. Now I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Renaissance palette. I don't remember the name of that color in that palette, but I'm
over the raspberry color with this, I guess you could call it a fuchsia. Now I'm going in with a shimmery color, a shimmery raspberry color. If you guys see me looking over, I'm looking at a monitor, just trying to make sure that that everything is looking right on the screen as I'm doing this tutorial for you guys. So what y'all plan to do for Valentine's Day? If y'all got some plans, let me know, because I'm still trying to figure out what I'm gonna do. Put it in the comment section. Share with a sister. Okay, now I'm just blending out the little cut crease I made. Now I'm wiping off any fallout from the eyeshadows. Now, this is an important step, because if you do not take the time to wipe that out, then when you put the foundation on, it will actually turn your foundation colors. So make sure you guys remember that step, okay? And just so you know, before I put the foundation on, I did put a primer, a moisturizer, and a primer on. So don't think that she ain't forgetting her steps. We love healthy skin. Now I'm using a loose powder by Black Radiance, and this is a concealer by Urban Decay. And it is in the color Tan Sand. Again, everything is a process. I know it's looking a little crazy, but it's gonna come together. Trust the process. Y'all, I'm learning that this year in 2019. You gotta trust the process. Now, I didn't tape myself doing the other side because it's just the same thing. But you just want to make sure you blend everything in as you're putting your concealer on. Now I'm using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. And you want to pat that in also. But the key to putting on setting powder is to make sure that your concealer is seamlessly blended in. You don't want any wrinkles, anything like that. Now I'm using a bronzer from Black Radiance. Now, whoever is sleeping on Black Radiance, I'm going to need you to wake up. Because when I say that their line is, like, the colors are beautiful, the payoff is beautiful, and the price is reasonable. I promise. Now, if they use that for a commercial, y'all better let me know. Now I'm going in, I'm contouring my nose with Black Radiance. The bronzing powder that I've been using on my cheeks. Now I'm going in with the LA Girl concealer in Fawn. I'm going right in under my cheeks just to give myself a little bit more snatch. You know, take 5 pounds off my face real quick. Now I'm going to blend that in. You can never do too much blending. Okay, now I'm using 2 different type of bronzers. One is by Morphe, and it's a goldish bronzer. And then I mixed it with another bronzer by Maybelline. It has more of a raspberry tone. So I wanted that goldish raspberry tint. Now I'm going in with a orange blush by MAC. smoke out my under eye using the same raspberry colors. Again, this is the Valentine's Day look, so you want to bring that sultry to the table. I promise y'all, sometimes I try to do my under eyes and like not make this face or have my mouth open, but it's impossible. I don't know. See, now I'm trying to close my mouth. I'm trying to do it. I'm trying. All you want to do is just smoke it out as much as you can. Now I'm going in my waterline and I'm going to line it with a black eyeliner by NYX. Hey. Now I'm going in with a brown lip liner. I really don't know who this lip liner is by. It's just a dark brown lip liner, y'all. We're almost done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out on the corners of my lips. So I'm blending out, now I'm blending up. Y'all remember that? And then after that, as much as you can, you wanna blend it in with nothing on your lips. Just wanna rub your lips together. Make sure you do not have any kind of product on your lips. Now I'm going in with that LA Girl concealer. I learned this lip trick from Princess Bella. And when I say it's one of my staple, I love doing this lip. And then I go in with a pink matte color by, that's Maybelline. I don't know the name, but I know it's number 55. And I'm going in with Corset by NYX. Now I'm going in with a pink shimmer that I got at Sally Beauty Supply. This is what tops the look off. Y'all see that? Work. Hey. I'm feeling myself. Yes. And here goes the final look, y'all. I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe. I love y'all. It's your girl D here. Bye.
When I thought love was a lost art.